Hey, my friend, I know you are doing so well, so well. Hey, I'm so excited you are here. I mean, just to learn how to go from your job, or not just go from your job, but have to go from your job to your job. How to become a valuable person that could either change job or move up very easily within your company. Again, I say how to go from your job to your job. Now you'll be a new person at the end of this training. And even if you don't have a job, I will show you how people will be fighting to have you because you come as an access and not just a liability. The truth is that more business owners are looking for somebody who can be part of their system, right? That will be people will be part of their system and help them solve whatever problem they want to solve. So I will give you a step by 7 steps how to really prepare yourself step by step and make employers start look for you, beg you, pay you more, give you a raise because you are bringing so much value into the company. So that's all this teaching, this training is going to be for. How to become that person that can fit into any system and make the system run faster. Have to become that person that is bringing so much value to the company at the point that the owner cannot do without you. That's exactly what this course is all about.